Hello everyone, my name is Shahar Kalkar and welcome back to the Funway coding channel. Today we'll be continuing our Firebase extensions. So how to connect our Firebase extension to a Flutter app. So today we'll cover how to add the shorten URL extension into our Flutter application. So let's get started. First, let me go into my Firebase app, and in my first video, in the channel text video, I have shown how to activate the bliss band if you haven't done so. But first, I'm going to go into the extensions. Here we are. And I'm going to go down here and create Firebase database first. I'm going to name it URL. Next, copy that and next. And auto ID it, and that's it. Then we'll go to extensions and then explore extensions. And then I'm going to search up shorten URL. Shorten. Here we are. We'll install it. And what it does, it'll install the shorten URL extension made by Firebase. I think. Yeah. But in this project and say yes, next, and for configuring, we're gonna put this in the collection path, which is what is the name of your collection in the database. So what you will need to do for this is go into here and search London, field name and short here, whatever you want. I'm gonna put this as short because it's very easy to remember. Now you need to have a bit.ly access token. So for this, you must, I'm gonna open my bit.ly. You have to create an account in bit.ly, which is free, so it's no big deal. When you go in when you make your account, log in and go into the API documentation. Scroll down into the access token, and then you can just generate new. Let me just enter my password. And I'm gonna copy this token and yeah, and then go into my Firebase project and then create the secret, which will now hide the token. Now you can't see the token, and that's people can't use the token again. When you install the extension, next a few 3 to 5 minutes, after waiting for the extension to download, we'll click get started, and it'll tell you that we need a URL and we need this short. So the short will come from the configuration we did. So if it was short URL, then it'll come as short URL. You can name it whatever you want, and you can change this by pressing reconfigure extension. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go into my Firebase database, and wait, let me just check something. So let me just check here that there's URL and short. So if I go to my Firebase database now, into URL, then I'm gonna add a field known as URL and paste the URL. Let's say that paste this and add, and now short should come in a moment. Here we are, we got the shortened email, and I'm gonna copy paste this and let's see if it works or not, and it will work like that. So what's the use of this? It'll help. So if you got if you go on some random website, let's say, or let's say you go to YouTube, you get loads of long links like URLs, and instead of writing copy pasting that much URL, you can just use this. How much is it? Around what, 10-20 characters only. So it's pretty easy. Let me now show you a demo of what I've used and done to make it. So you've got a shorten URL shortener. So that's me, and yeah, and then I'm gonna put in, let's say, a URL. So I'm gonna search up. You go here. Let's put something on YouTube. Let's just press pub.dev. Let's see. Let's just run a Firebase package. Firebase code. Let's say, and then I'm gonna copy paste this. And by here I can paste it, and now it will do that, and it will appear. I think you can copy this now, and now it will appear. This, let me just work it again. It'll change. Let me just get this one inside. Here's a Firebase code. And so the limitations of this. So since this is connected to your Bitly account, and Bitly only allows you around like 12 links a month, you can only use 12 links in your project as well. So obviously you can upgrade your Bitly account to make it big, to use more links, and you can do things like that. So this is the end of this video, and I hope you'll be stay tuned for tomorrow or the day after tomorrow for the next video and on the next extension. It could be on anything. I'll think about it. And yeah, so bye.